WordPress powers roughly 40% of the internet. Every client site I manage in my day job runs on it. Agencies use it. E-commerce brands use it. Independent bloggers, SaaS companies, content marketing teams, if they have a website with a blog, there's a very good chance it runs on WordPress. If Paxelo generates content that people want to publish, and it does, then WordPress is where that content needs to go, not as a copy-paste operation, not as a manual formatting exercise, as a direct, structured, automated transfer from the Paxelo dashboard to a WordPress draft, fully formatted and SEO ready. The plugin was always going to happen. The question was how to build it correctly. My first version of the plugin I created with Claude Code was essentially a full replica of Paxelo running inside WordPress. The complete ordering interface, the full UI, every feature of the platform embedded directly in the WordPress dashboard. It was too large, too cumbersome, and it fundamentally defeated the original premise of building a clean, focused content tool. Why would you log into Paxelo.ai if the whole application is already in your WordPress dashboard? What had I built? A product or a plugin that ate another product? Version 2 started from a different question. What's the minimum job this plugin needs to do to deliver maximum value? The answer was clear. The plugin's only job is to take Paxelo deliverables, all 7 SEO sections in Markdown format, and inject them into WordPress as structured drafts. Title, meta description, focus keyword into Yoast. All 3 fields, formatted, pre-filled, ready for review and publish. That's it. Focused, fast, genuinely useful. That's the version that ships. The plugin is free to download. The API license is $49 a year. Here's the thinking behind separating them. I want users to invest in their workflow. There's a psychological difference between using a free tool and paying for access to an API that powers that tool. When you pay $49 a year, you've made a decision. You've committed to using this as part of your actual content operation. That commitment changes behavior. Paid users engage more deeply, get more value, and stay longer. The license also unlocks a 10% discount on individual article purchases, and subscription customers receive the API license free for a full year, so it's both a revenue stream and a retention mechanism. Good pricing does both things simultaneously. I submitted the plugin to the WordPress.org plugin directory. Before I did, I used Abacus to verify it fully complied with the WordPress plugin guidelines. Ran it through the official plugin checker, made sure all the documentation was complete and properly formatted. The review process took 8 to 10 days from submission. I used the plugin myself, on the Paxelo blog, and on multiple client sites I manage in my day job. When I say it works, I mean I've personally watched it take a Paxelo article, push it through the API, land in WordPress with the Yoast fields populated, and publish it. That's not a demo, that's my actual workflow. Here's what the WordPress plugin actually represents in the bigger picture of this build. Content without distribution is just a file sitting in a dashboard. The plugin closes the last gap between generation and publication. It makes Paxelo a content delivery system in the most literal sense of the word. You brief it, it generates, you schedule it, the plugin publishes it, the calendar tracks it. That's a complete operation. I'm Steven Sawinski's clone. He is 65, and today Paxelo learned how to deliver. I'll see you in the next build video.